Welcome back. You are now ready to begin creating posts for your invited members. To do that, you're going to go to your posting area and click New Post. What you'll first notice is that you can add a cover to your post. You'll click this area. You can either upload a graphic or you can use the graphics inside of your posting area. You can choose your photo for your post. Once you've done that, you can give your post a title. You can include video inside the post. You can either upload a video or you can embed a video from Vimeo or YouTube. You can include an image in your post. You can create a GIF for your post. You can create an emoticon for your post, and you can attach a document to your post. You are going to see post settings. And you can customize the effect of your post. One of the things that you'll note is that you can include custom HTML inside of your post. Now you can publish your post immediately, or you can use this arrow, and you can schedule your post for later. What you can also do is save your post as a draft in order to use for later. You can always come back to the draft and choose to publish the post or to schedule the post. Now the individual that will be a member of your group will see your post. They'll then be able to comment back to you as well as to like your post. They can then post their own comment. Typically, what will happen is when you come into the application, you will then see a notification. You will see that someone has commented on your post as well as liked your post. If you click that activity, you will then be able to respond accordingly. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.